Hey everybody, I have a solution here if you're having trouble downloading games from Gamepass. Um, Not necessarily downloading games, but if you get an error whenever your games try to update automatically, um, you can try this one. My error code, let me see if I can pull it up on the screen. Okay. Um, this is my error code right here. This is the error code that I received. Unfortunately, I didn't record any of this or take any screenshots before I fixed it, and I'm not sure how to recreate it. So this is the error code that I received. Um, I was getting errors during my upload. If you can see this image here, I'll leave a link to it in the description. There's an error whenever you try to, whenever these games need to update. They just hit an error, and then you try to resume, and it won't let you resume. It just keeps popping back the same error. You might see it here. This was in the Microsoft Store updater. You can update games two ways. You can either update them in the store, or you can update them in the Game Pass application. You're going to definitely see this error here. I know that some people have a lot of different error codes. This is a different error code. I've been trying to find this error code for a long time. I didn't find it until I found this on, I'm not sure if I found this on the Microsoft site or if I just found it in Reddit the other day, but when I looked this up, I found this as well. I'll leave another link to this in the description. So what they're telling you to do here is go into regedit, and you're going to go into regedit, and you're going to have several folders that you're going to want to save first or export first, and then you're going to go ahead and add them back. They talk a lot about just deleting the folders. If you're not that advanced, I don't think that's a good idea to just go around deleting folders in registry. So I'm going to show you what I did and how it got fixed. Again, this is part of an error. I mean a error code that ends in 0x80070141. And this is the Reddit thread. Alright, let me show you what I did to fix this. Alright, so if you're anything like me, you have maybe one particular hard drive that you save all your games to. So let me just get rid of this, and when you save, so here's what I have here. Alright, so I have several, I have 3 disks. One is my main disk with Windows on it. You can see it's got the little Windows logo on it. Hard disk D is where I save my games, just because it's the biggest drive and it'll last me for a while. E is where I try to save game recordings, and it might have also had something to do with this snafu, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. But D drive is where I have all of the game saves. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to regedit. And I already have it open here, but the root or the folder that you're going to go into is listed, here we go, right here. It's going to be computer, HKey, local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, apps, package volume. And when you go down to it, you may have, depending on how your system is configured, you may have more than 3 of these. I have only 3 under package volumes. And if you click on the first one, it's going to show you my C drive. That's just going to be, Windows programs and apps. Underneath that, there's a subfolder called Mutable Packages Online. It's got nothing in it to be concerned with. If I go to 2, this shows the D drive, volume, Windows apps. This is where the problem is. If you click on 3, same thing, but it's got different volume labels and whatnot. So what I did to fix this was what you can do is you can go ahead and right click on it, and you're going to export it. And you just want to use this temporarily, or this save temporarily, or if you have it saved for registry, obviously you're going to use that one. I just saved it to my desktop. It's just the easiest thing to do. I already have these two saved in here, and I just gave them these names: regedit Windows Apps 2 and Apps 3, just so I know which one is which. I'm not going to save it because that's already what's been done. But once you've saved it, you can just go ahead and you're going to click on delete. You've saved it, so it's not going to be an issue if you delete it and you can't get it back. Do the same thing with 3, and then when you go to now when you want to get these files back, you're going to click on import. I don't know if it matters or not, but I highlighted one, and then if you hit file and then import, you're going to find that file that you saved to your desktop, and then just import each one. Click on it, it'll populate down here, open it up, but we're not going to do that because I've already done it. There were some parts of the Reddit thread that said that they didn't even have to reboot. I did have to reboot because I deleted both of these and then added them back, and there was still no change. It was still getting that error. But just go ahead and reboot it after you made these changes, and hopefully that will help you as much as it helped me. Alright, great. I'll leave the links to each of the sources in there with the same error code. If you have a different error code, maybe this won't work. I don't know, but it's worth a try.